Hi folks, welcome to KennyBlainAuctions.com. I'm going to do a quick inspection video of this Stihl TS400 concrete saw. It came in, the gentleman said it runs okay, no problems. He is just not doing that sort of thing anymore. I just started it and it seems to run just fine. Let's try it again. So I'm going to set that. We're going to do the choke a bit. I'm going to set the phone down for just a second so I can start it. And there you go. It starts on the first pull. As you see, the blade still running. Thank you.